Woodpeckers' new Quicklift and Quicklift HDS represent 23 years of router lift refinement. Productivity meets precision with both easy, rapid height adjustment and ultra-fine micro adjustment with incredible accuracy. Combine that ease of adjustment with unparalleled precision and you have Woodpeckers' Quicklift router lift. We're in production now, so let's head out to our shop and take a behind-the-scenes look at how they're made. The Quicklift plate is fabricated from a solid piece of aluminum, and the Quicklift HDS is Blanchard ground from steel plate. Our first stop is at one of our state-of-the-art CNC machines where each plate is milled and drilled to our precise tolerances. The heavy-duty guide rods are turned and assembled using our precision Swiss CNC lathe. When the plates are finished, they're sent over to be laser engraved. Once all the parts arrive at our assembly department, everything gets put together according to the engineer's instructions. Each lift is carefully inspected one last time and finally shipped directly to you. We've poured our decades of experience in router table innovation into the new Quicklift and Quicklift HDS. Give your router table the lift it needs by ordering yours today.